In this video, I'm going to show you how to unban users on Discord. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Discord app and hit at that menu icon to open up the list of your servers. Now there, select a server and then hit add three dots icon just beside the server name. And here tap Add Settings. Now, once you are on Settings, scroll down to the very bottom, and the last option here is Bans, so you can get into it and it will show you all accounts that are banned on that server. Here I got no accounts, but if you ban someone, you can find them here, and now there you can tap at user's name and unban the account just by hitting on Unban. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.